Hi there! Today we will look at identifying factors. To begin, let's answer the question, what is a factor? Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. A number is a factor if it divides evenly. We will look at a few examples to develop more of an understanding of what a factor is. Let's look at our first example now. What are the factors of 10? We can identify the factors of 10. A factor of 10 is a whole number that can be multiplied by another whole number to equal 10. To begin, 1 times 10 equals 10, so 1 and 10 are factors of 10. Also, 2 times 5 equals 10, so 2 and 5 are factors of 10. Now, to go back to the initial question, what are the factors of 10? I can list the factors that I have identified here in order from least to greatest. Therefore, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Let's look at another example. What are the factors of 16? Again, to find the factors, we need to identify which whole numbers can be multiplied by another whole number to equal 16. To begin, 1 times 16 equals 16, so 1 and 16 are factors of 16. 2 times 8 also equals 16, so 2 and 8 are factors of 16. Lastly, 4 times 4 equals 16, so 4 is a factor of 16. Going back to the initial question, what are the factors of 16? I will list the factors I've identified here in order from least to greatest. Therefore, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Let's look at one more example that's a little bit different now. Which of the following numbers are factors of 15? And there are choices, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For a question like this, we are given choices and have to identify which ones are indeed factors of 15. To do this, we can test each number to see if it divides evenly into 15. Let's try. I'll go with the first choice first, 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. This divides evenly, so 3 is a factor. Now I'll try 4. 15 divided by 4 equals 3.75. Since this gives us a decimal answer and does not divide evenly, it is not a factor. The next choice is 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. This divides evenly, so 5 is a factor. The last choice is 6. 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. This gives us a decimal answer. Since it does not divide evenly, it is not a factor. Going back to the initial question, which of the following numbers are factors of 15? We can answer that 3 and 5 are factors of 15. To recap, to identify factors of a given number, you need to identify which whole numbers can be multiplied together to get that number. I hope that this helps you when you're identifying factors. Good luck!